Alright everybody, that's our little friend Sparky. Sparky was a microwave that probably cooked thousands and thousands of meals in our break room at work. And then Sparky gave it up. He just couldn't cook anymore. So, I have Sparky, part of the Posse Appliance Repair Company Disposal Division. We're going to make sure Sparky has a nice day. Well, that was exciting. Sparky lived up to expectations. Wow, blew the frickin' wire gone. Same. We still got things falling over here, folks. But that's basically it. Not a whole lot left. We'll try to pick up some of our big trash, but all in all, I think pretty good afternoon. Afternoon, shit, it's only 8 o'clock in the morning. And there we are.